Hello guys, how are you doing? So I remember that I made this video about going off antidepressants and I never made a sequel of it, so I wanted to update you on how this is going. So I have lowered the dosage twice as little as it was the last time that I checked in, and it's actually going quite well. To be honest, the last week and maybe the one before last were kind of hard on me because I had this wisdom teeth removal surgery and my face was swollen, and then I had a really rough week of making really hard decisions, both career wise and personal life wise, and I just was all over the place, and it was really hard on me in a way because I hate making decisions. But I got over it, and I am so lucky to have really supportive and understanding parents that I know that I can always go for advice to. And I don't know, just when the decision is made, somehow everything just becomes so much better, because just not being able to know what is ahead of you is somehow, I don't know, it's killing me. I know that it's probably not normal, and you are supposed to be kind of enjoying the unexpected or something, but I cannot do that. So anyway, despite all of that, and despite the past couple of weeks being kind of emotionally hard on me, everything went well, and I didn't have any episodes of whatever it could be. So I got really kind of glad about that, and I will keep taking this. I think it's the lowest that I can take, the lowest dosage of the antidepressant for maybe another month or two, and then I will try to get off it completely. But I will, of course, have to talk to my therapist about it first, because you should never go off your medication without consulting with your therapist. On a more positive note, today I have a friend visiting me here in my hometown, and we are going to go for a walk in the nature, which was one of my summer plans, to be more in touch with nature. So I will take you with me, and hopefully it's going to be really beautiful.
Sunglasses on to our favorite songs. When we're laughing in the microphone and singing. With sunglasses on to our favorite songs. Nothing's gonna hurt you.
another thing that I wanted to share, since I like throwing some little pieces of wisdom in. Today I watched a video on 7 deadly sins and how we kind of misinterpret them, because people who react in this kind of badish ways are actually hurting inside. So if a person is angry, that just means that they lack love. And if the person is too prideful, proud, then it just means that they actually lack inner self-esteem and kind of their inner self-worth, and this makes them kind of loud and annoying. And they just went through every deadly sin, and it was such a deep thing, and it really moved me, because I thought that this is so sad, and most of the things happen in our world just because of the lack of love. And the people who are considered to be bad people by society are just the ones who need love the most. So, I mean, go love someone and just make the world a better place. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys so much. And yeah, be a nice human. See you in my next video. Bye.